What if you needed a joystick but you couldn't use your hands? Project Nimbus turns simple mouse control into full joystick output for video games, drones, and so much more. Hi, I'm Owen, and this is my software, Project Nimbus. It's an open source virtual controller that sends joystick commands through VJoy using an accessibility-first interface. I built Project Nimbus with accessibility in mind, so people like me who can't use joysticks can still get all of the benefits by just using their mouse, or in my case, my lips. The main interface gives you dual virtual joysticks, a dedicated throttle, and a rudder slider designed for flight simulators and or drone controls. Everything is smooth, super low latency, and it feels like a real controller. Project Nimbus is especially useful when joysticks aren't an option, like for people that have physical disabilities, or when traditional controllers simply aren't an option, like if you're out in the field. If you're working on assistive technology, this can be a building block in a larger system. Check it out. Under the hood, Project Nimbus is built with Python using Qt6 and QML, so it's super responsive and easy to use. If you're interested in contributing, check out the GitHub. The QML UI talks to a Python bridge called Controller Bridge, and that bridge uses controller config to handle settings, curves, and scaling. And finally, a VJoy interface sends the axes and button updates to a VJoy driver, allowing for full joystick output. One super cool thing is that the config system stores everything in a JSON file, so you can tweak sensitivity curves, dead zones, safety limits to your heart's delight. For end users, there's a standalone Windows executable, so all you have to do is install VJoy, run the exe, and you're ready to go. If you want to hack on the code, you can clone the repo, the link is in the description, and have some fun. Also, we spent a lot of time documenting the build, so please check out the documentation, and that should help get you up and running much faster. Here's Project Nimbus in action. On the left, you can see the UI, and on the right, you can see how the target app is responding. Moving the sticks and the sliders directly drives the VJoy axes under the hood, and that sends commands to the game or interface of your choice. There's an optional smoothing, so the controls glide back to center instead of snapping, just like a real controller. If you know someone who's into adaptive gaming and wants to try out an exciting new adaptive controller, please share this video and maybe they'll find it helpful. You'll find links to Project Nimbus, the documentation, and the architecture in the description. If you want to help, contributions on GitHub are very welcome, and any likes, subscribes, and sharing of this video really helps a lot. And please stay tuned for more. I'm always working on this project, and there's new improvements coming out almost every week. So thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting or useful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, guys.